Ever noticed why some people still reply oes when you ask if they want something in Welsh? Well, that's because want was never something we did. It was something that was upon us. Oes eisiau paned arna ti? Is there a want of a cuppa upon you? So the answer isn't ydw, it's oes. Yes, there is. And there's something very Welsh about that. Even our desires arrive like a light shower on a Tuesday, not a deep statement about who we are as people. Same with angen, same with a few feelings, even a couple of illnesses. Instead of sticking them inside us, Welsh just parks the awkward stuff on the outside where it belongs, like a coat you can shrug off when you've had enough. Welsh decided that needs, wants, bad moods and sniffles are not part of our identity. They're just sitting on us, which technically means I'm not tired, grumpy or full of germs. I'm just lightly seasoned.